Hey there, welcome back guys. This video is for those who one day went into their Opus Clip account to check on their videos and all of a sudden you see automatically populated their YouTube shorts or Instagram shorts and you're like, wait, what happened? I didn't press anything. Well, you did accidentally. Apparently sometimes when you go to the site there's a pop-up that appears and when you click OK it automatically turns on the feature that you don't want, and that's why you'll see like here I was like, wait, I never pushed that. I never updated it. I never sent the URL. Silent videos or walkthrough videos, you'll have less clips automatically generated. Long form videos, like for here, it's similar. As you can see, I didn't get that many. Usually you get more videos when you drag and drop the URL in. In this particular case, usually when it's auto generated, it doesn't work that way. So you probably did this. You saw this screen, you're like, wait, actually that would make a nice thumbnail because that's how this nightmare started. And I was like, oh wow, looks like I need to connect my account. So I'll connect it and like, yeah, I'll just click save. I don't know why it's asking me to do it again. I already did it. And then what happens is now anytime you upload to YouTube, it just automatically does this. It's like, wait, I never sent those. So you'll see this button right here. See, it says auto import. It's good for business, right? It makes for repeat customers because I noticed my credits were depleting. I had a lot. I had like over 400. And then it all made sense to me. Good luck contacting support on that one. Anyway, auto import. So this screen will appear. You're like, wait, but how do I shut it off? You don't actually here. See this little cheeseburger menu right there or toggle? Press it, click deactivate, and voila. Now see it's like a deceiving splash screen that's telling you, to connect. And most people don't read it. I didn't read it. I was like, it looks like I just connect my account again. And then business as usual. Yes, business as usual for the folks that want you to get more credits. Anyway, I don't know why that happened. Why every now and again you'll see that splash screen. Next time just click the X, save your credits for the control that you want when it comes to creating those shorts. And that's pretty much it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you all next time.